Hello class, for this tutorial we'll work through exercise 334 in your textbook, getting a little bit harder as we roll through. This is all millimeters. We'll pick the AutoCAD ISO template, and I'm not going to bother with units because we know that that is already set up correctly. Turn off your grid and we're ready to go. Start with a circle for this bottom corner. Hit D, enter for diameter, 58, enter. There's our circle. I can scroll in with my scroll wheel and push down on that scroll wheel to pan around if I'd like. Let's get that polygon in there, which is a pentagon, so that's 5 sides. Enter. Center point doesn't appear unless I hover over the edge and then back, then that center point appears. Inscribed in the circle, radius is half of 44, so it'd be 22. Boom, so we have that. Next, we got to get this handle at the correct angle. We can draw it and then rotate it, but it's probably easier just to draw it at the right angle to begin with. So do an L, enter for a line, find the center point, and our distance from center to center is 104. So in AutoCAD, straight to the right is 0, and then angles count up. Counterclockwise, that's 28, 90, 180, 270, and back to 360, which is 0. So I'm going to hover off roughly in the right direction, and I'm going to do Shift, the number 2, and you'll see on my screen I've got the @ symbol up there. Type in your length, 104, and then hit Shift the comma, which is the angle symbol, and then 30. So what you should have typed in your command prompt is @104, angle of 30, and hit Enter, and you get a line. So real easy way to do that. I'll do it one more time. If you missed it, L, enter, pick a start point. You want the @ symbol, which is Shift number 2. 104, which is your distance. You want the angle symbol, which is Shift, comma, and then 30 for your angle, enter. Got the exact same one, escape or enter to get out of the command. Now that we have that line, we can draw the other end of the tool, which is a circle. Pick that endpoint. Oop, I lost it. C, enter. Pick the endpoint, and the diameter is 22. To get the handle, let's offset half the distance, which is 11. Click up and down, and enter to finish. Erase our construction line. And let's do, we have to get a radius of 23. It's probably easiest to do a fillet. Got to type that whole command in, fillet. And instead of hitting the object, hit R, enter, so you can plug in the radius, which is 23, enter. And now it says select first object and second object. Now if I went to the right, it'd look this way. If I go to the left, it looks this way. We want to go to the left. Hit enter again and then do the same for the other half. Good. And the last thing we have to do, TR, enter, enter. Let's trim out that guy. And that is the completed wrench. Now this guy's a little bit bigger. Let's go to our paper tab, see if we can get it to fit 1:1 scale. Oh, yeah, it still fits. Lock it down, and then save as exercise 3-34. Thank you for your time. If you have questions, you know where to reach me.